Hey guys, this is Wendy from Wendy's Eating Show, and today I went to Costco, and every time I go to Costco, I'm a happy girl. You guys know, for those of you who don't know, I'm like obsessed with Costco, and this is my hair, okay? It looks like I haven't combed my hair in years, but this is seriously my hair. Like, I comb my hair every day in the morning, and it just, I don't know, something happens during the day that it makes it look like I'm starting some dreadlocks or something, but this is my hair and I love it. It just looks like messy, like, oh well. But anyways, yeah. And yeah, I went to Costco and I got me a turkey. These are already prepared, and it's a turkey sandwich with cheese. What are these things called? These breads? I don't know. But they give you like a whole sandwich. They're just like cut in half. And then they also come with like a salad on the side. But I upgraded my salad. I boiled an egg and I cut it up in like squares. And then I put a little bit of pepper. So that is what it looks like. And that sauce right there, it's for the sandwich. But I just put a little bit. It's like an egg sauce, like. So that is what my salad looks like right now. And they also give you some ranch. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put just some on the top. I think that's good. So and I have a organic fresh green juice, and this is what I got at Costco. This was $10, and this has green apple, pineapple, kale, and broccoli. So it comes like this, and it is so cute. I've never gotten this before, but I was like, I want to try it so bad. And it comes with like 6 pouches, and see, it says 6 pouches, and they're like so cute. Like, in each pouch has all of these. And I like it because you can take it off like from right here and put it in your freezer, and then you don't have to like be what's it called, measuring or stuff like that. You just open the little pouch, put it in your blender, add some water or your orange juice, apple juice, whatever you like, and you're ready to go. So this is just in case you guys are wondering what I got. This is what I got, and it looks like this. It gave me more than just this, okay? But I'm just using like a little cup. It was more than this, so I'm gonna use a little straw. I hope you guys are doing good. So, it's balanced between all the fruit. Like a certain fruit does not overpower anything else. It is equally. So yes, let's go ahead and eat this. Oh I got my lamp like right here. I am no professional. I'm just a normal person. I like eggs on my salad. I went to the vending machine at Costco, and I wanted a juice, 100% orange juice. They were $1.50, and I got my son one. And the second time around, the machine didn't drop my juice. I was like, oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. So then I went to go ask somebody, and they're like, no, don't worry, we're gonna give you your money back. But I was like, I want my juice. I was like, oh, thank you. They were so kind. So, it was packed. Like, we're barely getting into... Did I say that I add a little bit of black pepper on my salad? It was very packed. And they already have a bunch of like Christmas stuff. Like, I have not seen Halloween decoration in there. Ah. They're out with the Halloween stuff. And with the Christmas. It is crazy. Like, give Halloween a chance. What I like about Costco, they have like all these prepared foods that you can just grab and go. We call these in Spanish we call them cuernitos. We call them cuernitos, and they make good sandwiches. My local Mexican bakery has them freshly made that day and warm, and oh my god, they taste so good. If you guys ever tasted these like freshly out of the oven, they are like so soft. And I got something, they're really soft and they have like a really nice flavor. This also has tomatoes, but I took them out because they were soggy already. Oh, and you guys, some of you guys been sending me Snapchats that you guys found the pumpkin pie and the pecan pie lollipops. Oh, that's so cute. You guys taught me how to save the messages. Is there a way like I can save like the pictures? I mean, of course, I'm not going to be sharing it without your consent. I'm going to ask you before, like, oh, can I share your cute picture? If there's even a way to save it. But, because you guys send me, like, the cutest things ever. Like, you guys send me snaps of your babies watching me, and that makes me, oh my god, it makes me cry. And I just want to share those moments with you guys. Wrong way to put it inside my mouth. So the weather here in San Diego has been a little bit hot. It doesn't even feel like we're in winter. Like, it feels like it's still summer. And that is crazy. But you can definitely feel the chill in the air. Like at nights, you need a sweater now because it is chilly. I use my fingers a lot to eat. You get more than this. What I got, if you want to buy the like the meal, it has double the amount of salad. I just got half of the plate. But I really recommend it. I'm gonna use the sauce, the leftover sauce for my sandwich. Do you guys go to Costco? It's kind of like a Sam's Club. What else? Like they sell everything on bulk. Like if you want a mayonnaise, like they'll sell you 2 big gallons of mayonnaise. Well, not gallons, but like 2 big tubs. And then if you want milk, you buy 2 gallons of milk. The eggs, I'm okay with the eggs. They sell you like 18 eggs for like $1.30. $1.30. So the eggs definitely dropped in price. I think they were higher like a year ago. And then, yeah, well, basically it's like for big families or a business. But if it's just like a person or maybe 2, I think it's a lot. But it is like cheaper buying at Costco. So, oh, I didn't even tell you. So, if you follow me on Snapchat, you guys saw that I went to this like boba place. Oh my gosh, I need a burp. Excuse me. I went to this boba place and they had macarons. with ice cream. Like, and I Snapchat. What was that? I Snapchatted it. Wow. So anyways, and they also got like the regular macarons, but they had like horchata flavor, red velvet. They got like all these crazy flavors. They had Captain Crunch, but she ran out of them. And I was like, oh no, I wanted to try that one. But anyways, I got this cute chai thai something. I don't know, not thigh. Like thigh, like THAI. So they got this cute one, and I was like, they had like a whole row of them, and there was just like one of these left, and I was like, oh, I better grab one of those. And then they also had horchata. So this is the horchata macaron, and this is a chai thai. I don't know, but these are like so cute. Like, let me go for the horchata one, and these were $2 each. So let's go ahead and taste it. Wow. It tastes like horchata. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. You know, it has the same consistency from Mexican people or not Mexican people who have tasted those what are those? Caramelo. Oh, what are, there's like, it's like, it looks like a tortilla, but it's like a candy this color, and it's oh my gosh, my sister-in-law loves them. How could I forget? But yeah, they have the same consistency of that. I really want to taste this one. Oh, this is like horchata. That is crazy. Now let's go ahead for this one. Let's go try this one. Honestly, it tastes a little bit sweet, but I'm not getting a lot of like of the flavor, but it is really sweet. I'm gonna say that, but it was still so good. So, come on. Mufasa has like a mean mug face, like. Well, that was it for my video. Let's go to comment of the day, and I have to remove my iPad because it is blocking the comment of the day. So this one goes to Sara Guevara. She says, "You are an amazing girl, Wendy. I love your videos. I'm always watching them. Smiley. They make me smile. Thank you. You guys make me smile. What you talking about, girl?" Oh my gosh, you guys almost fell. But anyways, yeah, you guys saw my little setup. So I'm gonna see you guys next time, and I love you guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Wendy's Eating Show, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.